Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I wanted to take some time to answer a question that I get all of the time. How far in advance can you blow up your balloons before your event? Okay. Now, I will tell you guys that typically I blow up my balloons the day before my event. So you could definitely take the time on the day before to blow up your balloons. You don't have to do it on the day of, okay? But let's say that you have a lot going on and you want to know if you could blow up your balloons even sooner than that. So let me show you this balloon decoration that I actually have beside me. This has been up for almost a week. So I want to show you how this looks now, okay? So this is a balloon column that I created for my YouTube channel almost 7 days ago. So I just want to show you how the balloons look, okay? Now I used Tough Text balloons and Sempertex balloons for this balloon column, but I do want to just give you guys a couple of tips. Now, with this balloon column, as you can see, these purple balloons right here, they oxidize a little bit. So you could see that they're starting to lose their shine. So let me show you these blue balloons. Hopefully you can see, but these still have their shine. Whereas the purple balloons that are right here, these are a little bit dull, right? So that's what can happen if you blow up your balloons too soon before your event. And then also, let me give you another tip. So, when it comes to my foil balloons, I do not blow those up before the event, okay? Because let me show you what could happen. So, do you see on this side, one of the foil balloons has already lost its air, and that happens quite frequently with the foil balloons. So, what I do is I always wait until the day of my event to blow up my foil balloons, okay? So, the bottom ones look fine, but the top one doesn't. Now, let me give you another tip. As you can see, this balloon column is not close to my window, okay? So I'm just going to show you my window also is not open, okay? So that's another reason why this balloon column still looks good after 5 days, because as you can see, my window is closed. Also, I want to show you, you have to pay attention to the vents in your room. Like, where is the air coming from? So, my air vents are actually on the floor and they are far away from where I had my balloon column. Okay, so you want to pay attention to that. All right, guys. So that was the balloon column that I've had up for over a week now. So you could definitely blow up your balloons 3, 4, even 5 days before your event. However, you have to use the right balloons, guys. Not all balloons are created equal. So if you're getting balloons off of Amazon or even Etsy, I'm sorry, I can't attest to the quality of those balloons. Sometimes it's hit or miss. But if you're investing in high quality balloons, so that's Sempertex, Qualitex, Toughtex, I'm pretty sure even Colisan, even though I haven't used those balloons before, I have heard very good things about them. So if you're investing in a high quality balloon, you can most certainly blow up your balloons 3, 4, even 5 days before your event. There were times where I was so busy and I had multiple events to prepare for. So I started blowing up my balloons like 5 days before the event. And they look just as good, okay? As I mentioned before, if you are gonna blow up balloons before your event, you really wanna keep them away from the windows and keep them away from vents. You wanna keep them in an area that has a decent temperature, okay? So you don't want it to be too hot and you don't want it to be too cold. And then also, I just want to show you, I always store my balloons in bags, okay? So whether you use trash bags or what you could do is look in the description, I can give you some links to the bags that I have used in the past. You want to make sure that when you're blowing up your balloons that you are storing them in bags, okay? That will help to keep the shine on the balloons. All right, guys. So I just wanted to take the time to answer that quick question because I literally get that question on all of my videos. All right. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.